Good morning, here's your Chambana Weather Warning Minute for Friday, March 27th. Apologizing for the audio, the microphone that I typically use is just not going to do it this morning. It's not registering, I've been trying for 10 minutes and it at this point feels like a giant waste of time. At any rate, bad audio is better than no audio, because we have a bumpy 48 hours to talk about and I want to get this forecast in your hands. Got occasional showers and thunderstorms today, a high of 60, occasional showers and thunderstorms overnight tonight, and then scattered thunderstorms again tomorrow. Tonight and tomorrow we have to talk about the potential for some severe weather. Here's the day one outlook for today. Champaign-Urbana in a slight risk for severe storms, and then tomorrow we go into an enhanced risk with a moderate risk off to our north and to our west, and it again is tomorrow that I am most concerned about. Looking at temperatures across the region right now, 44 degrees in Champaign-Urbana, a warm front beginning to lift into our area. Let's take a look at the satellite picture Champaign-Urbana right here underneath all kinds of cloud cover associated with some showers and storms moving off to our south. If we take a closer look here, again using the St. Louis radar, here's Champaign-Urbana. We got some light rain falling out there early this morning. Additional showers and storms already developing off to the west, so it is possible as we head through the morning hours we'll have a few rounds of these showers and maybe a few rumbles of thunder. Let's take a look into the future though. Champaign-Urbana right here, we're using the high-resolution NAM model, and again we'll see those potential rounds of showers and storms moving through the day today. A few of those storms could produce some hail. That's why we've got the slight risk there. Again, the threat for any strong storms today is going to be some hail. So I'll be watching that and I'll let you know if we see any of those stronger storms moving into the area. Overnight tonight, the warm front continues to lift into our area. We'll see additional storms developing, and these could again produce some hail as we head through the overnight into tomorrow morning. Once again, I'll be watching those, but again, the threat from storms today, if they're going to become severe into tonight, is going to be some large hail. It's tomorrow that I become increasingly worried about the potential for not only large hail, but damaging winds and a few tornadoes, especially just off to our north and west. Areas like Bloomington, Peoria, Galesburg, Macomb, up toward the Quad Cities, even back toward Quincy, are especially under the gun for a potential tornado outbreak tomorrow. It's not rare to have that here in late March. This is the season. It's not often that we see the ingredients come together like we are forecast to see them tomorrow, though. And that's what I'll be watching. I'll let you know right now I do plan to have a midday update right around noon focused just on the severe weather threat. So let's take a look at the temperatures as we look at the next 48 hours. Again, the warm front kind of meandering back and forth through the area today into tonight. That's the reason for the showers and storms, the multiple rounds of those today and tonight. As we head into the afternoon tomorrow, though, we'll freeze it here right around noon on Saturday. We see that warm front has lifted well through the area. Low to mid 70s possible. You'll feel it in the air tomorrow. It's going to be warm, humid, strong southerly winds. All that comes together to create a very unstable air mass. We're looking at the forecast instability across the region from the high-resolution rapid refresh model, and it shows a very volatile environment across central Illinois by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon. Couple that with strong winds coming out of the south. Over the top of that, we have a very strong upper-level wave with strong jet stream winds out of the southwest and the west. Within that, you get that change in direction, change in wind speed with height. You get spin within the atmosphere. It's like throwing a football. If you imagine that horizontal spin, well, you can flip that vertical with the thunderstorm updraft developing. And so when we see the combination of a very warm and humid, unstable air mass out of the top or underneath a very highly sheared environment, that's where we get the potential for not only strong storms, but the potential for tornadoes. We're looking at a parameter here. We can take that instability and the shear and kind of combine it into this little parameter here, the significant tornado parameter. We see extremely high values of that from northwestern Illinois into central Illinois. And again, that is just reflective of the very volatile environment that we'll likely have in place across central Illinois tomorrow, and is exactly why we've got that enhanced and moderate risk for severe weather across the region. So looking at the 5-day forecast, looking at that chance for severe storms tomorrow, again, the best chance for any severe weather is going to be tonight into tomorrow. The best chance for that severe weather outbreak for, beyond large hail, talking about the potential for tornadoes and strong winds, would be tomorrow afternoon between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. We'll see that front move through overnight Saturday then, and looking at a quiet start to next week. Temps a bit cooler, but not looking really cold. I think we'll just drop back down to around where we should be this time of year, which is, again, high temperatures in the 50s, maybe a day or two in the upper 40s. Have a great day, and again, right around noon today, we'll have an update on the severe weather situation.